Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quinoa flour at home. First, you'll want to thoroughly rinse your quinoa. Place about 1 cup of quinoa in a fine mesh sieve and rinse it under cold running water for at least 2 minutes. This step is crucial to remove saponins, which can give quinoa a bitter taste. Ensure all the grains are well rinsed before moving to the next stage of preparation. After rinsing, it's essential to dry your quinoa completely. Spread the wet grains in a single, thin layer on a clean baking sheet or a large, dry towel. You can air dry it for several hours, or if you're in a hurry, use your oven on its lowest setting, around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. The quinoa must be bone dry before grinding. Now for the exciting part, grinding. Transfer your completely dry quinoa to a high-speed blender or a clean coffee grinder. It's best to work in small batches, perhaps 1/4 cup at a time, to prevent overheating your appliance. Pulse the quinoa repeatedly until it transforms into a fine, powdery flour. This might take a few minutes, so be patient and ensure there are no large, unground pieces left. Once ground, sift your quinoa flour through a fine mesh sieve. This step ensures a consistently smooth texture and removes any larger, unground bits. You can regrind any coarse particles caught in the sieve to minimize waste. Finally, store your fresh, homemade quinoa flour in an airtight container in a cool, dark pantry. It will stay fresh for up to 2 months, ready for all your gluten-free baking adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.